Sundew plants are truly remarkable members of the plant kingdom. They are not like the ordinary plants you might see in a garden. These are carnivorous plants, which means they eat insects. This might sound a little strange, but it is a fascinating adaptation. They have developed this unique way of life to survive in places where the soil does not offer much food. These plants are small, but they are very clever hunters. They are often found sparkling in the sunlight, looking quite beautiful and innocent before they reveal their predatory nature, a true spectacle of the natural world. One of the most distinctive features of a sundew plant is its tentacles. These are not hard, stiff tentacles, but rather delicate, hair-like structures that cover their leaves. Each tiny tentacle has a gland at its tip. This gland produces a glistening, sticky substance that looks just like a drop of morning dew. It is this dew-like secretion that gives the sundew its name. The sunlight catches these droplets, making the plant sparkle and shine, an alluring beacon in its often drab surroundings. This deceptive beauty is key to its survival strategy, a visual trick played on unsuspecting prey. This shimmering dew is not water at all, as an insect might mistakenly believe. It is, in fact, a very sticky, sweet-smelling mucilage, a kind of natural glue. This glue is incredibly effective at trapping small creatures. The sweet scent also plays a vital role, wafting through the air to attract insects like flies, gnats, and mosquitoes. These unsuspecting insects are drawn towards what they think is a source of sugary nectar or a refreshing drink of water. They are lured closer and closer by this irresistible combination of sight and smell, unaware of the peril that awaits them on those glistening leaves. These plants are truly masters of deception. They've evolved an ingenious method to supplement their diet in nutrient-poor environments. Instead of just relying on sunlight and soil, they have become skilled hunters. The way they capture and consume their prey is a marvel of natural engineering. It is a silent, patient hunt where the plant waits for its meal to come to it. The sundew's unique characteristics make it one of the most intriguing and captivating plants one can encounter in the wild, a testament to the diverse strategies life employs to thrive on our planet. The process of trapping an insect begins with attraction. The shiny, dew-like droplets on the sundew's tentacles are irresistible to many small flying or crawling insects. They see the glistening and mistake it for a sweet, sugary meal or a source of hydration. The plant often has a reddish hue, which can also be attractive to insects. As the unsuspecting creature draws nearer, lured by the promise of an easy feast, it has no idea it is approaching a deadly trap. Nature has equipped the sundew perfectly for this moment, using visual and olfactory cues to its advantage. Once an insect, perhaps a tiny midge or a curious ant, lands on a leaf, it quickly discovers the sticky nature of the droplets. The more the insect struggles to free itself from the thick glue-like substance, the more entangled it becomes. The sticky mucilage coats its legs and wings, making escape virtually impossible. Nearby tentacles, sensing the vibrations of the struggling prey, will also begin to move. This is a slow, deliberate movement, a silent closing of the trap. The plant seems to almost come alive, responding directly to the presence of its captured meal. As the insect struggles, the tentacles of the sundew plant slowly, almost imperceptibly, curl inwards. They bend towards the trapped creature, ensuring that more of the sticky glands come into contact with its body. This movement helps to further secure the prey and brings it into closer contact with the digestive enzymes the plant will soon release. In some sundew species, the entire leaf may also curl around the insect, creating a kind of temporary stomach. This ensures that the meal is held firmly in place, preventing any chance of escape, however small. With the insect firmly ensnared, the sundew begins the process of digestion. The glands on the tentacles that produce the sticky mucilage also secrete powerful digestive enzymes. These enzymes are similar to those found in our own stomachs. They slowly break down the soft parts of the insect's body. The plant then absorbs the nutrient-rich liquid, obtaining vital nitrogen and other minerals that are scarce in its natural habitat. This remarkable process allows the sundew to thrive where other plants might struggle, a true testament to its design and ingenuity. Sundew plants are surprisingly widespread across our planet. They can be found on every single continent, with the notable exception of the icy landscapes of Antarctica. Their preferred habitats are typically open, sunny areas with wet, nutrient-poor soils. You might find them flourishing in bogs, marshes, fens, and along the damp edges of swamps. These environments are often acidic and lack the essential nutrients, like nitrogen, that most plants need to grow strong. This is precisely why sundews have evolved their carnivorous habits, to supplement their diet. The reason sundews have this insect-eating strategy is directly linked to the poor quality of the soil in which they often grow. In typical garden soil, plants can absorb all the nutrients they need through their roots. However, in the waterlogged, acidic conditions of a bog, these nutrients are often locked away or simply not present in sufficient quantities. By capturing and digesting insects, sundews can obtain these vital elements, particularly nitrogen and phosphorus, which are crucial for their growth and reproduction. It is a brilliant adaptation to a challenging environment. There is an astonishing diversity within the sundew family, which is known scientifically as Drosoraceae. Botanists have identified over 194 different species of sundew plants around the world. These species vary greatly in size, shape, and the appearance of their trapping leaves. Some sundews are tiny, delicate plants, barely a few centimeters across, like the pygmy sundews of Australia. Others can be much larger, with long, trailing stems that scramble through other vegetation. Each species has its own unique charm and specific adaptations to its local conditions, showcasing nature's incredible creativity. Beyond their fascinating trapping mechanisms, sundews play a role in their ecosystems. While they are predators of insects, they themselves can be part of the food chain for other creatures, though this is less common. More significantly, by thriving in these specific, often harsh environments, they contribute to the biodiversity of these unique habitats. They are also indicators of healthy wetland ecosystems. The presence of sundews can tell us a lot about the water quality and the overall condition of the bog or marsh they inhabit, making them important little environmental sentinels. In summary, sundew plants are undeniably some of nature's most intriguing and cleverly adapted organisms. Their glistening, dew-covered tentacles are not just beautiful to behold, they are sophisticated traps designed to lure, capture, and digest unsuspecting insects. This carnivorous lifestyle allows them to flourish in nutrient-poor soils, where many other plants would struggle to survive. From the smallest pygmy sundew to the larger, more robust species, each one is a testament to the power of nature and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. They are tiny wonders, sparkling jewels in the tapestry of the plant world. The way sundews have turned the tables, with plants becoming predators, is a captivating story of survival. They demonstrate that life on our planet is amazing, and in the most extraordinary way, the sundew meets the challenges of its environment. The sticky embrace of their tentacles, the slow, deliberate movement as they secure their prey, and the patient process of digestion are all part of a perfectly honed strategy. These plants remind us that the world around us is full of surprises, and that even the smallest organisms can possess remarkable abilities and complex behaviors, often hidden from a casual glance. Learning about sundew plants can open up a whole new appreciation for the intricacies of the plant kingdom. There is so much more to discover about their specific attributes, the chemical compounds in their sticky mucilage, and the precise mechanisms of their movements. Each species has its own story, its own unique set of characteristics, and truly a wonder to behold. These plants are not just passive green things, they are active participants in their ecosystems, with a dynamic and fascinating way of life that continues to intrigue scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. I wholeheartedly encourage you to delve deeper into the world of these sticky wonders. Perhaps you could read more about the different species found across the globe, or watch documentaries showcasing their incredible hunting techniques. For those with a green thumb, you might even consider trying to cultivate a sundew plant at home. They can be surprisingly rewarding to grow with the right care. By exploring the lives of these fascinating plants, we can gain a greater understanding and respect for the complexity and ingenuity of the world that surrounds us every day. If you found this content enjoyable, please like, comment, and subscribe. We are a new channel looking to bring the wonders and knowledge of the plant world to a big audience. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.